Just got done editing Veda Day 1. Welcome to Day 2.
Yeah. See the potential.
Mandatory
Instant
social media
influential.
आपका
Maybe controversial. Maybe in another life is mental.
Yeah, till I don't get my coffee, मेरा दिन शुरू नहीं हो सकता है. So, coffee.
Back tenfold gold. Like dripping in gold, be 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 gold.
So, basically, ये month में there's a lot that's happening. I'll just give you an overview. और बहुत है. I don't want to leak everything. But there's going to be at least 2 trips, out of which minimum एक तो international travel है ही. There's going to be 2 or 3 LAN events, a bare minimum of 2 watch parties, and a bunch of other stuff. I need to map out this entire calendar so I know exactly कौन सा क्या दिन पे होने वाला है. I need to figure this out, but at least I'm on the right track. See, now there's 2 aspects to this Veda thing, vlog every day, August. Aspect number 1, the what and the why. क्या कर रहा हूँ और क्यों कर रहा हूँ, ये तो मैंने day 1 पे बता दिया. The day 2 problem is figuring out the how. Because if I have to do this for 30 days, I need a process, I need a routine, I need something के हर रोज ऐसे मैं एक फॉर्मेट में कर सकूँ and I don't want to miss any days. Like that's my entire thing कि कुछ भी हो जाए, I don't miss a single day. So that's going to be my biggest task. That is my fail safe कि एक भी दिन miss नहीं करना है. I need to build a process around it. But that means also planning out my entire calendar for the entire month now. And that's going to be the hard part. And also the fun part. Because this month is really exciting. There's so much happening. It includes international travel, it includes events, it includes a lot of esports and gaming related activity and some other cool stuff as well. I'm just thinking, like literally मेरे mind में, while I'm saying this, I'm going through my entire month and August looks action packed. I think I chose a good time. I always feel every time after events have happened, I feel like यार अगर ये वाले event पे vlog कर रहा होता तो मजा आता, अगर ये वाली चीज के लिए vlog किया होता, अगर वो वाली चीज के लिए vlog किया होता, अगर मगर कुछ नहीं अभी है. I'm going to make sure I vlog everything. We're here now. We have this opportunity. ये पूरे महीने हर एक चीज we will make sure we capture. No. Wait. Nice. Nice one. स्टेज पे भी खेल लो ना ऐसे. अरे यार क्या कर रहा है ब्रो, देख तो ले. मैं कौन होता कुछ बोलूं, इसीलिए ये हाल होता है हमारा स्टेज. ब्रो, that's why we signed you. That's why we signed you. Good. Oh. Nice blow. अरे मार. अरे पीछे. Don't be. Time. Nice one. Nice. Good. Bro. ऐसे ही खेलना है बस. Watching scrims is not for the faint-hearted. मेरा ये reaction similarly watch parties में भी होता है. If any of you have seen me on LAN at any of the events, I am a very I really get into the game. I'm one of those people. अरे यार क्या कर रहा है, ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है, वैसे क्यों कर रहा है. एमी बोलते रहता है like I should really start doing like live streams of my reactions, which is why the watch party. So you can see a lot more of that. But when I watch scrims, whenever I get a chance, थोड़ा बीच में time मिलता है, I do watch scrims and that is how I react. And that's why I get to see a lot more of what the players do behind the screens and just get a chance to hear their comms, understand what's happening between them, and it gives a good opportunity for us to see, of course, how the players are doing on each map. Of course, at the end of the day, it's only scrims. Scrims are practice. It's like net practice. What really matters is what happens on stage. But nonetheless, it's still Valorant. It's the same game that we play on stage. It's a completely different scenario, but I do enjoy watching scrims. So Mohit, day 1 का वीडियो देखा?
Yes.
Welcome to day 2.
Welcome to day 2, guys.
What were your thoughts on the video?
Day 1 के लिए.
Oh, what were your thoughts?
It was raw. It felt like, I'm living that day with you, because सुबह से शाम देखा कि क्या है. It felt like actually a proper day in the life of.
Okay.
So I like that वो vibe. I don't know what anyone else thought, but I thought it was the start of something that's now hopefully I'm looking forward to the next क्या होने वाला.
Okay.
Setup.
Interesting. Now, I have a question for you. As a filmmaker, how do you make a movie every day if you had to? As a filmmaker.
As a filmmaker,
Because I have to right now, and I'm going to bury Casey Neistat. You're a fan of Casey Neistat. I'm a fan of Casey Neistat.
yeah.
So as he calls it, movie, making a movie every day. As a filmmaker, तू भी filmmaker है, Bollywood में काम कर चुका है. You've done what, a dozen Bollywood movies and 200-300 commercials?
Yeah, I mean, but I don't know, like, ऐसा क्या मैं तेरे को बोलूँ where I know कि bro, this is the answer कि ये
No,
कर,
not an answer.
you
Like
can
as a
make.
filmmaker, if you had to make a movie every day, as a filmmaker, knowing what you know, how would you?
So
What
two
would you
things,
incorporate? Like
it
what?
would be
How would it be? What would it look like?
it would definitely have to be indie, because if it's a movie every day, then you would have to do it smartly, that you can build that one system
Right.
which, you know, tells you कि ये करना है रोज, उससे तेरा
Like a routine of sorts.
yeah, or a structure, or
Sure.
some kind of a form, you know.
Sure.
Of course, like, it's, you wouldn't know what the signature or what your voice is, and I think that will come through time, but just developing that method to the madness, I guess.
Sure.
Yeah, you would need some formula, as they call it in Bollywood.
And how do you get there?
I mean,
Trial and error.
yeah, sure,
By
by
doing,
experimenting,
okay.
by doing, because if it was so easy, then we all would be
Sab
making
kar
a
rahe hote, yeah.
movie every day, including me, right? So
Yeah. And we've discussed this a lot.
we
Like
discussed this many
2014 LA.
times. Yeah, true,
Yeah.
true.
By the way, वो channel अभी भी बनाना बाकी है. Moshi Films.
Channel बना हुआ है, I think.
बना.
Yeah,
Moshi
channel.
Films बना हुआ
I
है.
think we have
Oh,
all
damn.
socials and everything active.
Oh,
Just-
damn.
just hidden.
Moshi.com भी खरीदा था.
Yeah, it's just hidden.
MOHSHI Mohit Rushi. Don't ask.
Moshi Productions or
Moshi-
something. it
छोड़.
was. Yeah.
Don't ask. Don't
This
ask.
is all ये जो startups जो सब थे ना in process.
Yeah.
पहले GE के subtle focus, Moshi, uninhibited innovations.
Oh, UI was legendary, bro. UI incorporated Delaware.
The film
2014.
shooter, yeah.
2014. Wow.
We have a lot of companies
Yes.
before GE.
Let's not go there. Oh, Lugaru and Phoenix की बात नहीं करते.
Yeah, that's if you're a member and you're subscribed, and you know whatever, like you get perks for these bonus.
Oh yeah, वीडियो को लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. All the usual social media things. अभी तक आप लोग को पता है यार, करो.
शोरूम के लिए थोड़ा जाना पड़ेगा, बट बाकी सब तू समझ गया ना कैसे जस्ट मोमेंट्स में कट कर. हेलो.
So we've just reached Soho House and यहाँ अंदर फोन पे कुछ शूट करना अलाउड नहीं है. No photos, no videos. So this part of the video needs to cut here. We'll be back.